Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today's video is going to be about thanking my current subscribers. Now this is interesting. I'm going to show you some images from my YouTube studio. That's actually stuff that you don't see but I see, and I just want to share some stuff with you. And it's confusing because this is crazy. So the majority of the people that actually watch my stuff is people from the United States, which is great. Thank you. I have 3 other countries that actually watch my stuff. It's India, United Kingdom, and Canada and Australia. Thank you. From the down under, from people from Australia watching my stuff, I appreciate it. And everybody from up north, Canada, thank you very much. United Kingdom, shockingly, wasn't aware. India, holy crap, that's great. So the majority of my watch time hours are from non-subscribers, which is really shocking. So, which is really bizarre. I have 34,000 unique viewers every single month. So technically, if you just subscribed, I would be a lot higher in subscriptions. Just hit that subscribe button and that bell. Real simple. That's a substantial amount of people. Every day I get over 1,500 new users. 1,500, I wish. 1,500 new users every day. And if you just subscribe, my channel would be growing bigger and bigger and would get more people. I have returning reviewers are really low, and new viewers are 1,100. So that's per day. That's pretty good. My top 5 videos I'm going to show you. It's the USB shaver, which is getting, it went viral essentially. Restoring yellow headlights with toothpaste, also a viral video. And then I have 3 others which I'll show. These are all graphics that I'm going to be showing on the screen. Top content is the same thing that you see. You'll see everything. I'm showing you everything to be completely transparent with you guys. The age grouping, which is unique, in the last 28 days, based on views, is 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44 are the biggest bunch, biggest group of people. 45 to 54, 55 to 64, and 65 plus. Everybody's watching my stuff opposed to the children, 13 to 17, which is fine because my content doesn't include them. It's really adults, which is perfect. That's what I like to see. The gender, the majority of the gender that's watching my stuff is male. And that's pretty much it. So this is a thank you video and showing you seeing everything. You know, this is a thank you video for all my subscribers and future subscribers. So if you're watching this video, just subscribe. I have lots of content. I have almost 1,000 videos on my channel. So if you're watching, just hit that subscribe button. Log in and subscribe. So I'm assuming a lot of these people, and they don't have an account and just watching the content without logging in. But you need to log in to subscribe. Most people don't realize that. But that is key. So if you like what you see, subscribe. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.